This is the first step. Buy more vintage nitro RCs, and we're about to do that. You know what?
Good morning. It's just one of those days when you don't want to.
What's up, Nitro Gang? I'm out here in my Prius with my buddy Chris. He is the LST King. Dude, are you getting an RC today?
Yes, I am.
What are you getting?
An Losi LST.
Don't you already have one that I'm working on my channel?
Yes, you do.
We're out here at a Walmart. We're waiting a couple minutes to meet the owner, and we're gonna have this deal go down right now. I'm wearing a Nitro Gang shirt for some good luck. How many miles a gallon did we get? We just looked at the screen. Why don't you tell everybody?
55 miles to the gallon.
Did you say 55? That's a lot of miles per gallon. This means to get this RC today, I'm using less than 1 gallon of fuel. This is the reason why I drive a damn Toyota Prius, because it lets the Nitro Gang over here get more nitro RCs, and that is what 2021 will be about. This is the first step. Buy more vintage nitro RCs, and we're about to do that. You know what? Enough about RC. Watch this time lapse on my little ride over here, and we'll check back in with you when we get the LST. Guys, do you see what I see right here? Oh yeah, Losi LST2, couple sets of wheels, some shocks, and this is my own associated MGT you've seen recently. The owner Ben right here and my buddy Chris are making a transaction right now. So Ben, this your Losi LST?
It was my Losi LST.
How'd you like it? You bought it brand new?
I didn't buy it brand new. I bought that from a buddy of mine about 4 years ago. He had 3 of them, and he sold me one.
Okay. Yeah. This one is basically what, like stock?
That's all stock with the exception of the exhaust on it. I added in the wheelie bar and the wing.
I see you have lights in the front here.
Yep.
Oh, it's really cool. Yeah, did you know that he is the Losi LST King? That's going to be his name going forward. The reason is, this is his second one.
Second one, huh?
I don't think I know anybody that has 2. Oh no, actually I think a Boater Gel. You guys watch Boater Gel? Yeah. I think he was the original Losi LST King from, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take the body off. This is some kind of body you made with this original body?
No, this is actually a body that was intended for a Traxxas.
Oh.
I liked it and I threw it on.
Oh really? Wow.
I have it on one of my Traxxas now.
Man, I see you got the original JR servos. These things are pretty great for the time.
For the trans, they are. For the steering, those who were replaced, they're unique to Shadow Hobbies. The steering servos.
RD Logics. That's some top level stuff. We have the spin start, right? I think they call it here on these motors. This is a Mach 26 to 27, something like that.
That's the 427.
Oh, 427, okay.
It's a 28, I think.
Yeah, probably 428 cc. So one of the unique things about the LST2, they have threaded aluminum body shocks and aluminum diff cases. In my other video, I made a mistake where I called his LST a regular LST, but it's a 2. So I guess you know, these are pretty popular. So this is the high and low, right?
Yes, sir.
You ever use it?
I have.
How does it work? What do you do? You just like lift this up or something?
And turn.
Oh, that's how it works?
Yep, that's it.
And then it just automatically falls into this thing?
That's it.
Did you notice like a significant difference with the high and low gear, or was it like a gimmick?
The low is actually a wheelie monster.
Oh yeah? Oh man, that's pretty interesting. Some first-hand information on the gearing. We love that stuff. Man, this thing is cool.
Shocks are excellent on there.
Yeah. Original wheels, right, for this?
These are original.
To a different model, I think.
Yeah, they were a newer version of this one.
Okay.
Itself. I think it was
The XXL? The XXL, yeah. I did my research. Although I gotta be honest with you, I don't honestly understand a lot of the LST naming conventions. They're a little bit annoying. Like years ago when I was a kid, when they had the XXXNT, I just thought I was cursing when I was pronouncing that name, you know, the XXXNT. At that time, I think, like my friends and I used to call it the XXXXNT, and then we got made fun of for doing that. You know, that was the XXXXNT, and you know, your parents were like, "Oh, what are you talking about?" It was pretty interesting. But either way, LST, man, they're pretty great.
It really is an indestructible truck.
Yeah.
It really is.
If you had to, let's say, have one design from LST be resurrected, you know, let's say for going forward, now that we know HPI is back, what would you want to see come back? Like, what RC from LST would you want to see come back? Nitro only.
Nitro, the LST.
He said the LST, guys, that's right. That was not even a trick question. Or was it? Nitro Gang over here wants to see me start this. But I just want to make it clear, Ben over here, a true member of the Nitro Gang, has donated some awesome LST wheels to my channel, some shocks for my MGT. How nice is this, guys? Man, this is really cool, man. I want to say thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy New Year.
All right, guys, just for a little bit of a good time, I'm going to start up my MGT for these guys. They want to hear it, and man, I'm praying nothing bad happens. As always with nitros, you know? Gotta prime it, use the awesome primer bulb. This is the Nitro Gang primer bulb, guys. This is a huge .50 size motor, so you really gotta prime it. You know, it's. Do I even have enough fuel?
Oh yeah.
Oh no, I don't even think I have enough fuel in there. Gotta let it cycle a little. I'm running a 2S LiPo in here, but it's still not enough. This thing is like so. A regular 6-cell
You can hear the
even
stress.
spin this motor over.
Yeah, you can hear the stress.
No.
She went off.
Yeah, just keep recording. It's fine. Touch the screen. Yeah, I'll edit it. Yeah, that's fine. This thing keeps coming out. It'll start. MGT, baby! It's super rich, right? That's okay. The richer the better. Not like the new president. Like the old president. It does that. You know why it does that? The primer bulb is so huge that it stores a lot of fuel. So it actually takes forever to lean out and die like that.
Really?
Yeah. Think about it. Look at all this fuel space you have in the primer bulb.
Oh wow.
It's enormous, and there's still some, but you can tell that the fuel lines are basically, you know, empty now. So you just basically, the motor's not even that hot. Touch it. Like it's normal, right?
Yep.
Yeah. All we know is the 2-speed kicked in pretty good. It was running rich, it was running loud, and soon this LST LST2 here is gonna be joining the damn Nitro crew. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later. I'm gonna drive my Prius home after probably getting some Taco Bell with Chris over here. And you know what? Maybe I'll include that too. He just gave me a thumbs up. He loves Taco Bell. later. Taco Bell is right here. Both Chris and I, we're gonna enjoy a little bit of Taco Bell. Now, where we live, in our local area of New York City, for some reason, there is no longer any Taco Bells. I don't know what deals they made with the local council members, but Taco Bell's gone, baby. So now I gotta get it whenever I'm in New Jersey. I'm not sure what this is, some beefy burrito. It was only like $1. I'm hungry. We're gonna eat right now, then we're gonna roll home. Another successful Nitrogang adventure completed. See you later. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to ooh. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the three, I hit the...
What's up?
I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on.